Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create Jedi Knight AI trend video on TikTok. So this filter is now being used on TikTok, so let's see how to do that. First is to open your TikTok app, and on the search bar you can type the effect, or you can just go to your effects, and then on that search button you can write down here on the search bar for the AI Jedi filter. So the first one, you can tap on it. So let's tap on it, and I'm making sure that this is the filter that they have used. So this one, all you have to do is to just show that you are holding something like sword like, and then start recording. So tap the recording button, and you can show any thing or sharp thing to look like a real Jedi Knight, something like this one, and then wait for it to load, and then the filter will immediately show. So if it's done, then tap the check mark on the bottom right corner of your phone, and then if you're ready to share it, tap next. Or if you want to add sound, you can add sound by tapping the add sound button on the upper part, and then you can now tap post if you're done. That's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.